Hi, I'm Venus O'Hara and welcome to another video. I've just received this weighted blanket. Oh my god. And I wanted to talk about insomnia today, and it's just so happens I've just been delivered this weighted blanket, and I've been an insomniac for most of my life, or not all the time, but when I'm stressed I just can't switch off my mind. And I'm also a big lover of the natural methods in life. I just prefer to go down a natural route rather than an unnatural route. And I just discovered weighted blankets a few weeks ago, and I thought, oh my god, I want to get one of those. I saw an article about it online, and I saw that it was for people with insomnia or anxiety, and it's like a hug. So I got this blanket which is 6.8 kilos. Oh my god. And so I'm really intrigued to see what it's like. So I'm going to open it now, and later in the same video I'm going to show you my thoughts on it. So let's see what's in this box. Oh my god. I actually came up the stairs with this. I'm really impressed because, it's not right. I'm stronger than I thought. 6.8 kilos. Wow. As I was investigating these weighted blankets, I saw that many of them didn't have a cover, and I thought it's going to be a real pain because it's going to be quite hard to wash something so heavy. And it's got these kind of tiny little glass balls inside, and I actually found one on Amazon that actually has its own cover. So let's see. Oh my god. Wow, I already feel like I'm being hugged. This is better than a teddy bear. I can see already. Oh my god. Ooh. What is that? Okay, little bag thing. Okay, let's show you that. Storage, I guess, when I'm not feeling the need to be hugged, or maybe in the summer when it's too hot. Wow. Oh my god. Wow, I can do exercise with this. Let me just get into a hugging. Oh, wow. I'm gone. Oh my god. Oh wow. This is a very special, strange feeling. Ooh. Oh wow. I'm loving it. Oh, this is snuggalicious. I think I might sleep like a glowworm tonight. So yeah, I just hug myself in this amazing blanket. I'm gonna talk to you a little bit about my insomnia journey. Yeah, so I've always been an insomniac, and as I was growing up, even though you have a lot, I think, less stress in general as a child, but before exams and stuff, and before the first day back at school, I used to always have broken sleep, just worrying, and it used to be something that might have happened to me a few nights a year, not much, but obviously as you get older and you have more responsibilities, that reaction happens to happen more often, which is really, really annoying. And also over the years, I've never been someone who can just sit on my sofa and put the TV on and fall asleep. I don't actually have a TV, but I'm not really someone who sleeps on sofas or just randomly falls asleep when I'm relaxed. In the past, I have slept on trains and aeroplanes in long journeys, but lately it's been a very long time since I was able to really switch off. So yeah, it's really annoying because even if I'm physically very tired, my mind just doesn't switch off a lot of the time. So what I have actually managed to do, and I don't want to be taking pills at all. So I just think if you start taking them, you'll never stop, But on some occasions, I do have some backup Xanax or something similar just to kind of take the edge off, and that usually happens if I'm actually traveling for work or something, but never when I'm at home. I try to make that only a resource for me maybe 2 or 3 times a year. You know, the least often the better, you know. Anyway, so I have been trying to kind of lots of different techniques to try and improve my sleep, and I've been meditating every day, a couple of times a day for over a year now, and that has really helped. I can definitely say that this year I've slept a lot better than last year. But with all these natural methods, it's not like taking a pill where you can take a pill and it kind of works straight away. With natural methods, it's something you kind of have to incorporate in your routine and really persevere with. I mean, meditation is fantastic, and it's really taking me, I'm really working on it every day to kind of get to a state of inner peace. And I'm definitely getting there for sure. And another thing that I've done, I really recommend, is that I've really invested in my bed. For example, I have an amazing mattress, and I've had some 5-star treatment in the last couple of years with work travel, and I always found that when I was in 5-star hotels that often they had mattress toppers. So it's like a kind of if you don't know what a mattress topper is, it's like a kind of very thin, often memory foam mattress, a tiny mattress that's on top of the mattress, and it kind of helps, let's say, a firm bed feel like a cloud without going boom, really bland inside, you know. So it's actually it feels like you're sleeping on a cloud, but without kind of like falling into the bed. And I just thought I had to get one of those. I've got 5 pillows as well. So I've got my 5 pillows, my mattress topper. So and I've got pillow here to hug. So when I do have a night of insomnia recently, I'm just thinking, oh, my bed's amazing. So my thought process is a lot more positive than thinking, oh my God, I'm not sleeping, I'm awake now, and I'm really annoyed with myself, you know. So that's something that I've been doing. So as soon as I found out about these weighted blankets, I thought that's a perfect addition to my bed, which is already snugglicious. I've got an amazing duvet as well. So this on top of it is going to be even better. So I'm going to be excited to report on how this goes. Another awful thing about my insomnia is that not just I can't just sleep. Not sleeping on sofas is one issue, but I also can't sleep with lovers or partners. I mean, even if I'm really relaxed with someone and I feel, you know, I trust them and all of that, I just think, oh, you know what, I want to sleep alone. I just actually really enjoy sleeping alone a lot more, and I can understand that maybe snuggling, I used to enjoy that in the past, but now it's just not something that I would just do on an afternoon. And if you fall asleep, that's not such a big deal, but my night's sleep is kind of sacred now, you know, and if I don't sleep well, then the next day is kind of like a write-off. And I just and the odd days in the last, I think I might have slept accompanied maybe 3 times in the last 10 years. I mean, it's really not often at all. I remember those 3 times I felt very relaxed with that person, and I just reminded myself why I didn't like sleeping with someone. So yeah, I think each to their own bed, and I'll have my super blanket now. Can't wait. Oh my God. So I'll be back in a couple of days with an update. Hello, it's actually a couple of weeks after the first part of the video. I recorded the first part of the video on the 4th of December, and now it's the 20th, and I have been using this incredible weighted blanket every night, and it's been amazing. And the hardest thing about it is, well, at first it was kind of, I didn't move much in bed, but now I've got used to it. So it's like, I don't know, it's like going to your grandma's house and going in having a very heavy blanket on top of you, and it makes you feel so snugglicious. And it's been very hard to get out of bed in the morning because it's very cold at the moment, and yeah, it's very warm in bed and it's hard. It makes me a bit lazy in the morning, so that's the only downside. And yeah, I've been using it on top of my normal duvet, so it's even more snuggly. And yeah, I absolutely love it. And I did spend one night away from home, and I did miss it, definitely. But I've been having less twisting and turning and less insomnia, less toilet breaks in the night. And voila, I highly recommend this. Anyway, if you want to check out this weighted blanket, check out the link in the description below, and I'm also going to link the incredible mattress top that I have, which is totally life-changing. And if you have any tips of how to be very comfortable in bed, because I think it's very important, don't hesitate to leave a comment in the comment section below. And if you have any suggestions for new videos, don't hesitate to write to me at venus@venusohara.org or on Instagram at venusohara. Thanks for watching. Mwah.